Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be sharing with you how to make the Nigerian Afang soup. Afang soup is a soup popularly eaten by the Calabars from Africa, Nigeria. So let's go see how I prepare my Afang soup. I will be using spinach, freshly diced. If it was in Nigeria, I will be using water leaf. Then here is my Afang leaves, or Okazi leaf as the Igbo call it. I got dry one here too. It's difficult to get fresh one, so I soaked it for about 2 hours now or more, and I'll be blending it in this food processor or a blender, because it is really essential that it is blended into a paste. So here is some bits of dry fish I'll be using also. I have here some smoked shrimps. I didn't get periwinkle to buy here, so I'm replacing with smoked shrimps. Also here I have my crayfish, my red oil, palm oil. I have my stock cube here, salt. I have here my dried pepper. You can use fresh pepper or bell pepper if you want. Here I have bits of diced cow skin that has been parboiled. So this is the meat I will be using. As you can see, it has been parboiled already, just a little bit because I usually make small quantity. It's a mixture of goat meat, tripes, and a little bit of stockfish. Since the meat has been cooking for over an hour, I'm just going to add my chopped cow skin. I diced them into tiny bits, and it has been parboiled already too. A bit of pepper. If you like it spicy, you can add more. Adding in some crayfish, the smoked shrimps, adding in my deboned dry fish. Stir everything together and allow to cook for about another 5 minutes. If you notice, there's very little water in this food. Afang soup doesn't need a lot of water because the spinach or water leaf, whichever you're using, have water already, so we don't need a lot of water in Afang soup. So now this has been boiling for over 5 minutes. It's time to add in your spinach, just like I'm doing. Now stir together. Soon it will all simmer down and you'll see water coming out from the leaves. As you can see, there's water on it. I forgot. Now we have to add our stock cube. Now cover again and allow to cook for another 5 minutes to 7 minutes thereabout. So this is after about 5 minutes. It's boiling. As you can see, the water is coming out from the spinach. So the next thing is I'm going to add salt to taste. And now I'm going to add in my red oil, which is the palm oil. My red oil is frozen due to the weather. We're in winter here, but it will melt, don't worry. So I have managed to add in the frozen oil. I'm just going to stir it together now. I'm going to cover to cook for another 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, now we are going to be adding in our Afang leaf, or is it Okazi leaf, like the Igbo call it. It's the blended Afang leaf. The body is so smooth, but it will work. So now we're just going to blend in the Afang leaf into the soup. So cover to cook for the last 5 minutes. Yeah, our Afang soup is ready, and it was really very tasty. As you can see, the quantity is so little because I usually eat my soup alone. Like I said, this soup wasn't so difficult to make, especially if you have the right ingredients. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful and think I tried my best in this recipe. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.